Hi, hello friends, very good evening. It is 9 in the evening. Let's start the analysis. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. So Nifty ended in such a huge volatile session for today. Even in the Bank Nifty made a huge volatile session for today. So as predicted, today the market opened almost like 17,700 plus, and in the Bank Nifty opened almost like 38,700 plus. And same way market reacted to the first time it reacted for the 38,850, and it came down for 100 points, and again it regained the momentum, and throughout the day it was in sideways. So let's start the analysis with Nifty, and we'll move on to a couple of swing trading stocks. So today the market has given a strong closing. This is going to be a weekly candle. We'll move on to the daily candle. Even though the day ended in bearish, it is a bearish candle, but still the gap is huge. So previous day the market closed at 17,534, and today opening itself is around 17,711, almost close to 200 points of gap up, and the gap up was sold off. It made a low of 17,631, and 17,659 was the closure. Market is absolutely overbought. The RSI is almost in 79.92, almost 80 in daily. So it has to cool off. Nifty can come down a bit, and we have almost reached our descending trend line as well. There are just few more points. If you look at very sharply, just by connecting the top highs, this is the first high, then this is the lower high, third lower high, so second lower high, and this lower high can be done this way. So there can be around 17,780 towards 17,822. That was the level given yesterday, and today market didn't went up till 17,700 due to huge resistance was at 17,700, and it came down. 17,800 was also having a huge resistance, so market came down a bit and closed in red for the day. And if you look at tomorrow's opportunity, definitely we have to go to the lower time frame. So throughout the day, if you see, this is a single declining line. There is nothing much to worry about this declining line. We have a good gap here. It has to be filled. Only then we can judge the next momentum. So if Nifty is opening less than today's closure or below today's closure, then there is a chance of filling this gap tomorrow itself. So let's see like how the gap up or gap down facts are going to affect tomorrow. SGX Nifty is not reacting much. It is at close to 17,707, which is almost 70 points above this daily closure. So we may open flat for tomorrow. If the same situation prevails till the midnight or in the tomorrow's gap opening, definitely we will be opening in the flat. So if market comes down, definitely it will be going towards our Wednesday's closure, Wednesday's high. That is where the gap will be filled. So my view remains flat to bearish for tomorrow. We can't see the open interest for tomorrow because just the open interest will start building from the next week. So we can't judge with the help of open interest for today. So definitely this gap has to be filled. That is what is the prediction for now. If the market is opening above yesterday's high, today's high, then the market can go towards 17,770 to 17,800. That is where our descending trend line meets, and the resistance lines are also present. Let's see like how it goes, but Nifty has to cool off for at least like in 1 hour it has already cooled off, but in daily it is still in close to 80, which is really overbought. So it has to cool off. Let's wait and watch in Nifty. We'll move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty since the day I told like Bank Nifty will give a strong up move once it closes above this descending trend line, and in just 3 weeks almost 3000 plus points has been done in Bank Nifty. So today also it was a huge gap up, almost like from yesterday. Even there was a doji. I told like the market will open at around 38,700. Market exactly opened at 38,712. So that was done by the data prediction which was shown in live yesterday last night. So market again here also we have a chance of filling this gap, because this here it was a doji and we have a good bullish candle today. But same like Nifty, Bank Nifty will also come down to cool off, so that the RSI will get cooled off. As I told, like it is in a flag pattern. This consolidation will always break in the upside. It has broken in the upside, but it has to come down for retesting at least till this level, which is 38,200 levels, 38,200 to 300 levels. Let's wait and watch for tomorrow. Else, if it is opening itself, it is above 39,000, then definitely there will be a good shorting opportunity. Today itself I told like if it is opening around going around 38,880 to 38,910, we will have a shorting opportunity with 150 points of stop loss. The stop loss was not hit because the high itself was around only 38,932, but we didn't get any profit. But in the first instance, if you see, we'll go to 15 minutes chart. After hitting 38,881, I believe that was the exact number, 81 or 85, market made a bottom of around 100 points. If you look at this top market, the high was around 38,885.95 and it made a low of 37,777, close to 100 points was down. I was expecting 150 and 300 points, but the momentum was remaining sideways. After this move, there was a sharp up rally immediately after this fall, and for next few hours it was like it trapped the call option sellers who did the selling last night, the previous day. So they were forcefully exited in today's market, and that is why the sideways happens. So to trap all the sellers, the retail sellers indeed. So we have to break. So if the market is breaking this level, which is around this candle's low, which is 38,813, then definitely another 150 points will be down in the downside. So that will be coming around 38,700, and this is done. If today's low is taken out, then definitely we may touch these levels around 38,390 to 38,200. This will be the testing level, and then it can regain the momentum and go up. So that is the prediction for Bank Nifty. Okay, and we'll go to the swing trading stock for the day. So I picked a couple of stocks. One is Affle India, which is an angel in recent past. After the split, almost the split happened in October 2021, and it made a top of 1511. I gave a call at around 1100. It made a 400 points immediate rally and started coming down. It made a low of around 871, and it is around 1185 right now. So it is gaining the momentum right now, and today you can see a good volume in Affle. So what can happen in near term? That is what we have to see. I can see a good pattern here. The pattern is getting formed. So if you see, the supply zone is around this level, which is 1245 to 1268. That is the previous supply zone. And today what has happened is I have connected all the highs, and the descending trend line has broken with a good volume. So that is what we can see in Affle's chart. So what can happen is it can definitely come back towards this level to retest, almost like 1120 to 115. If it is coming and retesting, then definitely it will be a bigger move, and it can break this supply zone, and it can move up towards 1330 and 1500 again. If in case if it touches the resistance supply zone, it can give a fall. So we need to wait and watch. This is not a pure buy recommendation right and today itself, tomorrow morning itself. We need to wait and watch. We will go and have a look on the weekly chart. The weekly chart is simple and it is also bullish. So continuously there was a consolidation for almost close to 6-7 weeks to 8 weeks, close to 3 months since May till July. It was in May, June, July. Almost for 3 months it was in a good consolidation, and it started moving up now, and it is a decent volume for last 4 continuous weeks. So let's wait and watch, and if straight away if it is going towards the 250, definitely there can be a small fall. Then we can go and take this call during the retest at the level of 1120 levels. Yeah, that is where we can expect a reversal entry for 1300 and 1500 levels of targets. And one more stock. So one more stock is there for today, which is Krishna Institute of Medical Science, which is KIMS Hospital. So here also there is a good pattern getting formed, which is a parallel channel, which is a descending parallel channel, and even if you mark the descending trend line, that will match. And what is happening in weekly is closing above the last week's high. Indeed, it has given a trend reversal from the top of 1487. It made a bottom of 1113, and it slowly started moving. And if you see, if you can mark the trend, it is very clear the trend has got reversed. So this made a low to high, and it made a higher low, and right now it is in higher high. So above this level, which is 1245 to 43, this candle's high, which is 1250, we are bullish. Today the market has closed at 1276. So the trend has reversed from bottom to top. That is from a downtrend to uptrend. So if in case this descending channel is getting broken, then we can clone the channel, and that is going to be our target. If you clone the channel, just clone the channel, that will be your target. If you don't know to clone it, then definitely this is going to be the first target, which is 1478, and next level is going to be around 1569. That will obviously touch the channel stop, which will give the target. So entry is around 1250, and the stop loss is around 1190 in weekly, and targets are going to be 1470 and 1560. These are going to be the targets. So stop loss is going to be very small as usual, and the targets are going to be like the risk reward ratio is 1:4 in this call. Yes, we will have a look on Tata Motors, ICICI Bank, price action. Yes. So these are the two stocks for the day. Tata Motors, I believe I have posted the chart last week, and it has exactly retested, and it is moving up. If Tata Motors is closing above last week's high in weekly, that is, which is 481, then definitely it is a bullish move. Bullish move will follow, and this is going to be a stop loss. That is a retesting zone, which is around 457 to 460. And here also, like, there is a descending trend line. We have to close above this, so that we can get a strong bullish move. Of 520 will be seen a strong bullish move. So this is a symmetric triangle pattern. This is also a trend continuation pattern. Once there will be a strong bullish rally, and to continue the trend it will give a symmetrical triangle, or if you connect this high, this low to high, definitely this is going to be a symmetric triangle, and definitely it will be a bullish move. If it is facing some resistance, it can come down, to a bit, and again it can move up, but anyways it is going to be a bullish pattern. If it is continuous, then it is going to be a new all-time high in Tata Motors. So people who are holding Tata Motors for long term, definitely it is going to be a 4-digit stock in near term, maybe in a year or two. So till that, definitely it is hold. So don't look for 10%, 5% in this kind of stock and waste your investment idea. Stay long term in this this kind of stock. So definitely they will rule the Indian market once, and you will be benefited huge. So ICICI Bank also we will have a look. A lot of scribblings I have done here. So yeah, so it is almost like close to the all-time high. The previous all-time high was around 867, and today it made a top of 66.5. Almost it is a double top. So only if there is a reversal, then we can call it as a double top, and until when the double top is valid is 2% from here, which is going to be another 15 to 17 points will be the, from here if you calculate 17 points, that will be around we'll calculate with the price range itself. So close to till 880, 885 we will be in double top. Till that the double top is valid. Beyond 880, definitely that is not a double top, and it can move towards a new high. And this pattern is always a favorite pattern, and it is a easy to identify pattern. Here also, if you can notice, this is a descending trend line, and once the descending trend line is broken, definitely it will be a strong bullish move. You see, from 740 it has gone up till 868, 867, strong bullish move in like maybe like 16% of bullish move in 4-5 weeks. So definitely people who are holding can book half, and if it is giving a strong closure above 80, definitely another round of rally can continue. But for now we can book at least half. If you are holding 100-200 quantities, you can just book half and hold the rest. And if it is coming down, and if it is retesting this level of 770, then definitely it is going to be a buy again. So this level will be a retesting zone, and if in case stock is falling from 880, if it is falling till here, then again there can be a small reversal, then it can go up like this, and this is also can go towards 1100, 1200 plus. If you have any confusions, you can draw a trend line from here, from the previous tops, and that will be the next top. So it will go to 950, and if you adjust furthermore, then definitely it will be around 1100 plus, 1100 to 1200 plus. That will be the new all-time high target. Any other questions? Yeah, ITC easy if only time permits. Yeah, time permits. ITC. So this week ITC started has started giving a small fall. Definitely a healthy correction is always required, because only if people book profit, again they will try to buy in the lower levels. That is why profit booking comes. We will see like if market closes below last week's low, which is 303, then definitely that can become a bearish engulfing and it can fall towards this level, which is 280, because it stayed at around 260 to 280 for almost like more than 10-12 weeks, almost close to 4 months. So definitely that zone will again act as a strong pullback area. So if it is falling here, then definitely it is going to be buy in ITC. No need to book the whole profit. If you are holding good amount of quantities, book few, hold it for the to average when it comes around 270 to 280. That is where we can expect the pullback rally again. Definitely it will do a new all-time high this time, and the previous all-time high was around 367. This time it will definitely do beyond that. I am expecting to go towards 500 and 600 in a year or two. So definitely it is a hold. It is like a fixed deposit. Put your money and stay in this stock. So what was the next stock? Yeah, Zeal. Yeah, Zeal we will see. So Zeal, what does it say? We'll see the major trend. So it is an ascending triangle. It is in clear support right now. Only if it is falling below this previous month's low, which is 210, it can come down to 160 and 135, even to 110 it can come. Till it holds this ascending trend line, which is 210 in monthly, definitely the stock will move up. The trend got reversed at this point, and it is retesting. So this zone, currently it is in a retesting zone. So only if it is breaking this zone, so it made a low high, higher low, and there was a good consolidation, but still this is again higher low. It made a higher high, and here it trend got changed again. It is trying to move up here. This, if you look at this swing, so if you look at this swing, the trend got reversed at this level. So below 226 the trend got changed, but it didn't go below this ascending trend line. So definitely this trend line has given some strong hold and strong support. So definitely, and this is a insider candle as well. So if August month closes above this candle's high, which is 253, the momentum will again start and it can move up towards this level, which is 280 plus. And beyond that we have 355 and 380 will be the targets. So till 210 in monthly closure, we are good to hold this stock. If you want to take entry also, you can take entry, fresh entry also, it is fine, and with the same stop loss. Yes, Sun Pharma. It has to break this level, which is 925 in daily, or it has to break this 897 for any direction. So directional move will definitely come above 925 week daily and 894 for the downside move. So till that it is hold, and it is in a good bullish momentum, so definitely it is a hold. And if you look at the long rally, it is in the inverse head and shoulders. This formed a good left shoulder, and this is the head, and here we got a right shoulder. So definitely what will happen, already the neckline has got cleared. So we'll see. So the neckline is already done and it went up and retested. It started moving up right now. So the size of the head will be the target. So 15% has to come. %15 will come around 1033. So it is still hold. No need to worry about it. And maybe because of the dividend, it has a 3 rupee dividend is coming on 20th. So because of that, it may be coming down or it is staying in sideways. But it has exactly worked as per the structure. It moved from low to high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. Again it came and retested exactly the neckline, and it is moving up. So definitely it has to move up. That is how the structure works. M&M suggested M&M entry. No. Since they released a new Scorpio, it started skyrocketing, but right now it is there is no entry, I believe. Let's see. See, don't always try to catch the flying rockets. You have to find the stocks which are ready to fly. Only then you can get profits. You won't get panic. If you find to get the breakout stocks or flying rockets, definitely what will happen, and we don't know when it will come back to the landing zone. So better don't try to catch the flying rockets. It is in a clear uptrend, but it is a time for it has to come down. The result is also like it is looking like negative, not a good result for now than they expected. It is I don't know like exactly what happened with the results, but after the result it has gone, the momentum has gone almost like for last 4-5 days. The momentum has gone, so no need to take fresh position right now. It can fall anytime. If you are holding, 1188 is going to be your stop loss in daily. Yes bro, there will be deviations, lot of deviations will be there. Every single time we will not get the patterns like a hot cake. It will be differing every single time. Here also there is a head and shoulders. This is a left shoulder, this is a right shoulder, and this is going to be a right shoulder, this is a left shoulder. And what has happened, it has already given the target. So every single time it will not give you like this sharp edges, sharp patterns and all. You won't get. It will be definitely having some sort of exception, some sort of difference will be there between the heads and shoulders, but you can't expect the same every time. And this is how the pattern looks. If you Google, it will be like this, but it will not be the same if you compare in the real market. I'll join this and show you. So definitely it has already, I believe the target is already done. So it has to come down to cool off. So 37% was the target, and I believe 37% is already done. Yeah, exactly 37% has already been done in M&M. So better don't need to take entries in M&M. Okay, I believe we have seen enough number of stocks. We'll catch up tomorrow. It is already 9:30 in the evening. If you have any questions, you can post it in the Telegram channel. If you have any friends who are trading, you can just give the channel's link to join in the live session. It is obviously free, and I'm trying to share my best in the stipulated time. Okay, I believe we are done with the session for today. Thanks all. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.